Majority ngayon ng crypto tokens ay bagsak. Ito na kaya yung sinabi natin na September. Pag-uusapan natin today itong ginawa natin na trajectory na price action. Sana nga ba tayo? Is it normal ba na nagkakaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo? Saang phase ba tayo ng market cycle? And other news dito locally, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa feed natin today, as well as itong Bitcoin monthly returns. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So, August 26, nag-share tayo dito ng parang pinaka-month na observation natin, like August, September, October, November, and December. So, marami dito mga naging reaction, daming mga nag-share as well. So, today guys ay pag-usapan natin kung saan nga ba yung price action, yung pinaka-trajectory natin dito na ginawa as a basis. So, this is on the weekly time frame. Pero for now, ay unahin muna natin yung mga news, no, locally. So, credits to Bitpinas. You can just follow yung kanilang social media like Facebook. So, itong WLFI ay nailist na, no. So, sa iba't ibang mga exchanges, yan, meron din silang mga meme na ginawa. So, dito maraming mga reaction sa community. Ito guys, no, sa MetaMask. Meron silang tinatawag na abstraction method na kung saan di mo na kailangan ng said phrase. Pero ito ay part of the development and innovation. Dahil before, medyo hesitant or mahirap ma-access or gumawa ng account gamit yung self-custody. Pero this time is still on the self-custody side pa naman ito guys, pero pinadali lang, no? So, pwede nyo i-search yung abstraction technology sa Web3. Yan, recent update nila. And meron pa dito, US begins publishing key economic data starting with gross domestic product or GDP. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 100 plus trillion na yung GDP, world GDP, no? So, yun yung mga recent update. US regulators set to allow US traders to trade on offshore crypto exchanges. Yun yung mga recent updates dito. You can just explore dito guys kay Bitpinas, yung recent one, yung blockchain na pinopropose ni Senator Bamakin as well. So I think that's good. Pero for now, let's check yung historical data guys, no? Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. And doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito. So, ngayon guys, ay share ko itong Bitcoin monthly returns. So, kung matagal na kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel, I've been sharing this one. Especially pag pa-dump or pa-retrace or pa-correct yung market guys, no? So, I've been sharing this one. So, if we observe dito guys, September is one of the month na kung saan ay ang daming negative, no? Ayan, makikita natin September. So, for the veterans and for the experienced trader, ito din yung month na opportunity or a DCA month, no? So, hindi dito bebenta. Yung mga experienced trader, sila yung mga bumibili or nagdi-DCA during that month, no? So, that's September. And as we observe, October is a good month to like if you have the opportunity to DCA during September. October and November, December is one of the month ng taking profits, no? So, yun. As we have this post sa ating Facebook. Ayan. So, September, October, November, December. So, yeah. If you have experience, I think it's better to have experience, guys. Especially sa gantong market, no? Kasi yun talaga yung magko-convince sa'yo to remind yourself, no? Kung ano nga ba yung status during this month, ano nga ba yung nangyayari during this year, this cycle, or as mentioned, this month nga, no? So, ngayon naman ay pag-uusapan natin itong structure na ginawa natin, pinaka-basis natin. Kahit pa paano, we are still inside this bull market phase. Wala pa tayo dun sa bear market na kung saan makikita natin dito sa pinaka ginawa ko na basis ko lang guys, no? Again, this is just a hypothesis. It's my own data. It's my own, I'm just creating this one, reacting the price action as well as to have this basis, no? Or yung pinaka blueprint ko sa end ko. So, yun, as we observe dito sa price action, yung gantong move ng price action is pretty normal. We have impulse, corrective, another impulse, and then corrective. We can see impulse dito, pero mukhang bitin pa yung corrective. And meron din tayo dito 50 EMA. Ayan, kung mapapansin natin, 50 EMA is pointing around 95. Ayan. Okay, if ever na mag-retrace, maybe I'll do some DCAs on that zone lang, and then I'll take profit na lang if ever man na merong continuation na mangyari ulit, guys, no? Kasi ito is part of that trend, no? This is on the weekly time frame. We can observe the impulse but no corrective yet, no? So yun yung isa sa mga na-observe ko dito sa price action. So yeah, we'll see, guys. Again, this one is more of like a hypothetical. It's only a probability and not guarantee, guys, no? So yun, hope you get some insights, updates dito sa ating YouTube channel. If you find this video interesting, please like this video and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. That's it for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.